everyone and welcome to another video. I've been saying for a while that I want to film a video about crystals because I get lots of questions from people about which crystal is best for them and their life situations. So in this video I'm going to talk about the main 4 crystals. They are Amethyst, Clear Quartz, Rose Quartz and Citrine. I have 3 out of the 4 crystals with me because I lost my Rose Quartz on a walk, so yeah. But first, let's start by talking about what makes crystals special for the spiritual world and the non-spiritual world. Each type of crystal is made from its own particular mineral and chemical recipe, which affects its colour. Crystals were an essential part of the ancient world and have been found to have been used in religion, magic, rituals and medicine. They were regarded as divine and were used for both healing and protection, as they are today, as well as being used in modern technology. But what makes crystals really special for us is that they have a stable and unchanging energy pattern, and each crystal has its own unique energy frequency or energy field. As I've mentioned in a previous video, we also have an energy field. As does everything, crystals act as a tuning fork to bring the energies around them into harmony. If our vibrational frequency is low, holding a crystal can bring us back to our regular frequency, which is naturally high. That's why lots of people keep crystals close to them, in and around their house, as ornaments or as jewellery. Crystals pick up the vibrational frequency of everyone who has touched them, and that's why it's so important not to share crystals and to cleanse them regularly. So let's start by talking about the first one out of the main 4 crystals, and that is going to be Amethyst. Amethyst is a great crystal for meditation. It helps your thoughts feel focused and less scattered, so it can help with making decisions. I wear an amethyst necklace to help with my intuition and remind me not to get carried away by thinking about 1,000 things at once. In ancient times, amethyst was bound to people's foreheads to help cure headaches. Today, it is more commonly used to treat anxiety. However, it's been said to help interpret and recall dreams when it's placed over the third eye. So basically, you will get the most out of this crystal when it is placed near your head. Moving on to our second crystal, this is Clear Quartz. This is the ultimate stone for improving your vibrational frequency. It tunes into our perfect and natural vibrational state. People believe that this crystal can help support the immune system. But like with all crystals, it is also your belief system that determines its purposes and its power. But I'm going to talk about this later. Quartz offers an emotional detox, and like amethyst, it helps to clarify thoughts and focus the mind. Native Americans placed quartz in the cradles of newborn babies to help make a connection between them and the earth. I think that is such a nice idea and I would absolutely love to do that to myself. Maybe I need to sleep with this in my bed. It is perfect for creating a safe and sacred space, so perhaps it is best to keep this in a place that you use for regular meditation or yoga. The next crystal is Rose Quartz, and as I said previously, I don't have this one with me, but I'm going to insert a picture instead. This is the crystal for love and relationships, but not just romantic relationships. It is known as the stone of unconditional love, and it transforms relationships with yourself and with others. If you have recently started practicing self-love or have watched one of my other videos, then this is the perfect first crystal for you to buy. It can be used alongside daily positive affirmations, as the stone itself helps to remind you of your intention. This crystal helps to deal with blocked negative emotions. It helps to bring them to the surface in a caring and accepting way. And it's been said to be perfect for dealing with a broken heart. Although perhaps this is because it helps you to learn how to love yourself and realise your own self-worth. The final crystal out of our main 4 is Citrine. Citrine is all about living in the moment, or living in the present. It is a great crystal to use with manifestation, or shall I say, intentional manifestations. It is linked to feelings of gratitude and joy, which are both high vibrational feelings. But it is also about generosity, so sharing your success with others, not bragging about it, but taking pleasure in giving. Citrine is a companion crystal when you're seeking to fulfill manifestations. It helps to develop positivity and optimism and raises your self-esteem and self-confidence. In ancient times, it's said to have been kept near money, as it helps to attract more money and success. It is best to use this crystal by putting your intention into it and then letting it go, just like a manifestation technique. But the difference is it provides a physical and visual tool that can enhance your feelings and make your manifestation stronger. Ultimately, all crystals do this and can be used in this way, because keeping them around you reminds your brain of the previous intention that you've set, such as feelings you want to develop, whether those be for manifestation purposes or for awakening and enlightenment purposes. I have a few less popular or common crystals with me, so I thought I'd go through the names of some of them. So the first one is Aventurine, and this one is all about success, again a bit similar to Citrine, and I have a piece of jewellery with this in it, so that's quite fun. The next one is Moonstone, and this is all about cultivating compassion and empathy. This one is Lapis Lazuli, and I just love this crystal. It's all about promoting like goddess energy and feeling empowered. And I just watched a documentary about ancient Egypt, and this is one of the crystals that they used to decorate Tutankhamun's death mask. The last crystal I'm going to talk about today is probably one of the most interesting, and this is Blue Lace Agate. This crystal is all about communication and receiving feelings from your higher self. It's about calmness and peace of mind, as with the other crystals. But I feel like this one goes a bit deeper than with just surface level emotions. When we start talking about our higher self and connecting to who we truly are, then that's deeper emotions than just success. So thank you for watching my crystal video. I hope it's answered to some of your questions. There's a lot of history on each of these crystals because they've been around for so long. If you want to know a bit more about the crystals that I just mentioned, then leave a comment below or message me on Instagram and I can do another video. I also have a book about crystals and your star sign, so if that's something you're interested in, again, leave me a comment or message me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.